Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros tres estrellas. We will cover the essential steps to create these delightful fried pastries, known for their crisp exterior and tender interior. You will learn about selecting the right ingredients, mastering the dough, achieving perfect frying, and adding those irresistible finishing touches. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this classic elevated churro recipe, perfect for any occasion. Creating the perfect churro dough is crucial for that authentic texture. First, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then quickly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring vigorously until a thick dough ball forms. Remove it from the heat, let it cool for a few minutes, then incorporate 2 large eggs, one at a time, until your dough is smooth and glossy. Now for the exciting part, frying. Load your prepared dough into a piping bag equipped with a large star tip. This gives churros their signature ridges. Heat approximately 4 cups of vegetable oil in a sturdy pot to precisely 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 3 to 4 inch lengths of dough directly into the hot oil. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful, deep golden brown color and are wonderfully crisp. The final steps bring everything together for an unforgettable treat. Once your churros are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the hot oil and let them drain briefly on a paper towel-lined plate to remove any excess oil. While they are still warm, generously toss them in a delightful mixture of granulated sugar and fragrant ground cinnamon. Serve these incredible churros immediately, perhaps alongside a rich, warm chocolate dipping sauce or a creamy dulce de leche for an extra touch of indulgence.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.